Okay, now pull out another egg. Do you like coloring Easter eggs? What color is that one?
Orange.
Yeah. You did it without breaking it.
No problem, Mom.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
You gonna do another one? What color is that one? What color is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. It's yellow.
Yellow, darn. I am playing yellow. That was missing. That was missing.
Yep. I think we only have one more to pull out. It's the purple one.
Right there.
Okay.
I'm missing the two.
No. Oh, we didn't have that many. Remember, you put your finger in the other ones.
Look, I'm missing that one.
I know.
Jeez.
Are we done?
Yes.
We colored all the eggs?
Yes.
Okay. They're all gone?
Huh?
Are they all gone?
Yes.
Okay.
That one's all gone.
Yep. You put your fingers through it.